You can, of course, hire someone to read the scripts for you and record it, or you can use the following methods. Once the script is done, you need the voiceover. The first method would be for you to record your own voice. You just need a microphone, and depending on your budget, there are mics from $50 up to thousands of dollars. You can use a free software like Audacity or Shotcut. If you don't want your real voice to be heard in the video, you can easily alter your voice once recorded. Simply do a search on Google or YouTube for how to change voice, and you will find plenty of tutorials. The second method would be to use a text-to-speech website that will generate the voice based on your script. There are plenty of free ones, but from my point of view, the voices are really robotic. But let me show you an example. So if we do a search for text-to-speech, we will get this free website, TTS Reader. Here, we simply paste the text that we want to be read and click the play button.
A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend.
You can even select a few voices based on gender and location. Then click the record button and follow the instructions mentioned on the website in order to get the voice file. Another website that gives much better voices is Murf.ai. Here you can sign up for free and use 7 minutes for free, maybe for testing voices. But once you are here, you can see the difference from a robotic voice to a more natural one. Let's enter some text and test it out.
A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend.
You can choose again from many voices, either male or female, accent, age, and so on. Another website to consider, which also adds emotions to the voice, is Typecast.
A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend.
Typecast.
For my voiceovers, I use a lot of Well Said Labs. Here, you can test the voices as well. Choose a voice avatar based on your gender, age, narration, and so on. Give this one a try as well, should you choose to use this method.